teammate in many ways.
Finals, guys!
On the friend and fast track Honda against the True
This is the finals!
Honda, here we go!
Jake Nichols got hooked up on one of those doubles right there, leaving the door open. But just Gilbert, but they are still super close. I tell you what, this is the most fair and clean hard head-to-head that we've seen, but we're not done yet between these two. We've got the momentum, he's going to go wide and try and keep that momentum all the way through. Just the orange one right here. Oh, that's great. They're still real close to take the second of there. Yeah, we're taking a look. The front wheel just disappears off the track.
That is Josh
Gilbert.
Yeah, we are taking a different format this year. And of course, being all British as well, these guys, they all know each other, they all get along. They want to race safe, but they want to make the final. So they're racing
Give it
hard.
up for that guy, Josh Gilbert. Should we make some noise for this guy right here? How good is the head-to-head? I don't know if it's a bit quite so calmer, but the battling, the tactics, the nerves of steel from these guys. Jeff, I have to say, the respect for each other, they are pushing each other hard, but not, as you said, trying to total each other. That's how good this competition is.
Honestly, there is such a good vibe in the series this year with it being all British. All these guys, they're all getting along. They want to elevate the sport in the UK. They know.
Oh, song, Jeff, song.
Henry, just choose one. Choose a button.
Your list, from your list, choose it.
I don't know, Henry, just play anything. Cool. What we got?
Oh, that's dirty. You are a rain
I can't hear it, man. What's it playing?
This is quite outright now, considering I've brought him from the particular band. Oh my gosh, what a song. Here we go, finals of our head-to-head. Who is in the grid?
This is the finals, guys.
Against Josh Gilbert. Whoever wins this gets to the final. Whoever comes second, then in the last chance quarterfinal.
Whoever wins this gets to the finals, guys.
Alright, you lot, final head-to-head. Here all the way through. Remember, we're going to get closer to you guys making your people's choice vote for the final. We've got the LCQs after that. It's going to be all academic racing. Finals of the head-to-head. That one up there, Jordan Booker. He is up against Mr. Josh Gilbert, who's fresh off that last race. The blood will be coming from both of these.
I think we're holding them on purpose.
Oh, that's the pair. Let it go. Oh, it's a slow one.
104. Number 104. It looks like he's unstoppable.
But he's making it work. And
That's not what you want to do when he's got less speed compared to the 450. That's how Josh and chance to catch up.
there goes inside. But Josh is going to get the run.
Oh, that's clever riding from Jordan. How clever is that? Shuts the door. No mistake. Oh, he's a little bit faster than John.
Yeah, but here he is.
It's not done. Look at that.
Gilbert! He stepped up! No way! How did you stay on? Talking about something that's committed. That's it right there.
Hey, you're one racing from him. We're going to see him.
Wow.
Can you face that way? Can you face that way for me? Just whip that. There we go. There we go. Oh, I still need to learn how to do that, man. Right, we'll give you a moment. Let's get the goggles to face off. To stop the heart start racing on the catcher. Hey, how good is the head-to-head for those of you witnessing it for the first time? How good is it? And this is the chap who comes out on top. All right. I like to think of you going, oh my God, into the corner. Josh Gilbert, head-to-head, that is some crazy racing, isn't it? You think it is it more intense or less when there's less of you out there? Way more intense. After you doing an endo into the corner, hey, Jordan did some clever riding there, didn't he? He shut the door a few times. little while back here gave me that entry. You are going to the final and you've got a championship point. Back racing here at Belfast, all places, and at Arena Cross.
So cool, I've never ever done anything like this, so the heats didn't go well. I missed my back brake and shot on in the heat, and I just made it so hard for myself. And it should have gone a lot smoother than that, but
well, I know it was tough for you and you wouldn't rather done that, but we're very pleased that we got to see that. Give it up to Judge Gilbert! Did you film that? You filmed that, didn't you? That is wicked. Oh my god.
Do you think that's an
Okay, so we're just going to remind you once again, we've got another rider in the final after the first few riders qualified from the first heats. Now we've got the LCQ, we're going to choose one more rider. That lineup will become apparent very shortly, but here, once again, after the LCQ is done, you will know who has not made it through, and having that lineup, you can vote. So get your phones out, you've got the your camera on the QR code for the pod will take you to the website. That website is slido.com. You guys at home, there's a camera on me, you can join in as well. Go to slido.com, then in the box put hashtag Arena Cross. That will take you through to the next page, and the list of riders that you can vote for the one with the most votes will find themselves a place in the final. Now, as much as they would love the riding to have got them there, I'm sure it will feel pretty nice to be the people's champion as well. So, you have the power to send another rider through. There it is again. Slido.com. It's not there to take your information. Just get on there, slido.com, hashtag Arena Cross. Then you'll get the list of names after the LCQ is done. Hey, people, don't forget that we still have Freestyle Motocross Fest Trick yet to come. We're not done with those cats. We want to see some more of them. And I'm going to ask the question as we get our next round of riders all lined up. Belfast, are we having a good time? I asked really quietly then. Maybe I need to ask with a little bit more intensity. Belfast, are we having a good time? Alright, I'm sorry, your poor little thumbs, I'm so apologetic for having to make you do all of this. We need your phones out, get them put away. If you have not yet done a text to win, this weekend, we're not doing this to clamor loads more money on you, it's free. It just costs you whatever it costs you to send a text that you would do day to day. So we saw it up there, we'll get it up there again. Text the words bike to, get that number up there again. Text to win bike to. Okay, so we're not going to do that. So you're going to text to win, and that is one of the bikes that you could win. We have got these little E5 KTM gas partners, the same bikes you saw tearing around this track up for grabs. Text the word bike to 88440. Do it right now. Once again, it's not costing you money. You people at home cannot do that because it's very important. This is a rather cruel trick to keep you here right to the end of the night. You know it's late. I'm sure you want to stay. Give a big old round of applause for the final pro podium. You have to be here because I am going to be sending the numbers out of the hat right at the end of the show. I'm going to call those numbers so you're not in the arena. I'll go to the next number. There we go. Text to win. You've got the deal. Jeff, here we go. LCQ. Final.
One shot. Well, it's not the complete last chance. It's the one last chance when it comes to their own destiny. They've got to make it happen. It's the LCQ last chance qualifier. Whoever wins this one is in the final. Then after that, on the Slido, you've got to get out there and start voting to get the final rider into it. But whoever wins this one is into the final. That's where all the money is. That's where all the points are. That's where you go out and win the championship. So here we go. We've got Walker, who's out there. We've got Jack Nichols, Jack National. Ben Clayton, Mel Pocock, Luke Burton, Jake Preston, James Blackwell, Eric Banks Brown, and on the far side.
10, 9,
Hey Jeff, less laps.
10, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
They're both up on their feet.
Talk about just and I think that the back four
So Mel Pocock's right here, right now. He's way out in front. We've got Jordan Hooker. Yeah. This is
Remember, this is his debut in the pros though. You know, so it's
Back is on Friday.
really is.
as well. If you want to vote for Jake, remember, Jake Nickel is going to go on the
So it's Italian matches with these riders who are in the pack and be able to call their way to the top. So these are some of the riders that you're going to be able to vote for, possibly. We've got Sean Simpson riding this yellow flag. They can't overtake them to keep it on the ground, which gives a chance for these riders down the front to stretch their lead. Look at this! Last lap! It's only the winner going through. No matter what happens back there. Well, Pocock on the last lap.
I think we need to get voted for the start. I should imagine Jordan Hooker's got many fans.
He has done so well.
It looks like, it looks like Mel Pocock's going to get this
Mel
one.
Pocock's going to be in. What next? Finalist in the main event is this cat right here. Mel Pocock. Yeah, you tell us what we're doing up here.
Yeah, just stay there now. Once these guys have all crossed over, we get up there. You can go and speak to Matt, tell us what it's all about. Remember, Pocock's in. All the other riders, it's up to you guys. Choose one rider to go through Mel. Get yourself up there and go speak to Matt.
Hey, guys, you lot were very close. You saw how hard Ben Clayton hit the deck. He's up on his feet. Give that boy some love. It hasn't quite worked out. He's got a hobble on, but man, these guys are hard as nails. Oh, stop it. With the skid as well, Superfly. Right, take that lid off us. Can we give a cheer for this guy right here? Mel Pocock making it into the main event. Now, I had the pleasure of flying over here with this guy. You were very excitable about the whole proceedings. And Jeff talked about the injury, which actually does affect your riding quite a lot, but seemingly not right there. Mate, how's it feeling to be back and racing hard and making the main event?
Yeah, it's nerve-wracking out there, not gonna lie. It's definitely something I'm not used to. A long time professional rider, so this is not inbred into me. But yeah, last chance for the fight, last chance race. I'm in for the final, so.
Sorry, thank you very much. That guy took a heavy hit right there. What a trooper he is. Unfortunately, I think I'll be back done.
All that pressure was the big one.
It was heavy, wasn't it? Hey, mate, so yeah, we've got a few new outdoor boys here for the first time in the ring cross, which is amazing. Just tell us in a snapshot, why is it so intense? Why is it so different? What makes the difference here, apart from obviously being a lot smaller and more compact?
So obviously, Mark, you've got a lot more space in the States here. It's real to make compact. Got a crowd that's so close, fueled. We can hear you guys here. So
He can hear you. He can hear you, Belfast. You are. Great job. Let's give it up for this cat once again. Mel Pocock joining us for the very first time. Thank you. All right. So, let's take it like this to see where we are at. We have got our lineup. Once again, folks, now the LCQ is done. You saw the riders who did not make it through. It is up to you who you choose to join all of our finalists who have now been decided through the heats, through the head-to-head, and just then through the LCQ. We have got just one space left. Here's the information yet again. We really hope you join in. Obviously, we want big numbers voting for these riders just because it's cool. They get to see that, and one of them gets the privilege, the pleasure, and the honour of being your people's champion in the final. And you guys who voted for him get right behind that rider. Not forgetting the Text to Win contest as well. So for that, slido.com, #ArenaCross, then pick your rider. For the Text to Win contest, we're going to show you a picture of the bike up there once again. We have got, courtesy of KTM, Husqvarna, and Gas, those insane little e-bikes, motorbikes. Unfortunately, we don't have one for you big kids, but for the little kids, if you fancy a little bit of e-bike action, hey, arguably, it's got to be the way that our sport grows most, and we're so privileged and honoured to have them here with the first ever class.
Matt,
Yes?
you know what? I was meant to do this earlier, but I got so caught up in the head-to-head.
You did get, we get excited.
I know.
First up, we got excited. What are we meant to do?
I've come over to the other side
Oh,
with some goodies.
Jeff, where are you?
I'm over here.
There he is, there he is. Right, you got, hey, I
Just
don't...
give me a moment, because honestly, that's nearly wrecked me, that is running up here.
Hey, Jeff, I don't think you should be there. They're not being noisy enough. I don't think they want it. They want it.
Who wants this? I mean, I could hand it out. I mean, I'd love to throw it, but it's quite weighty.
Are you all right? You can sit down, don't you?
I do, I can sit and watch the
If you lot would like some free stuff, make some goddamn noise!
Okay, no, before we do that, I'm going to take my fins off, and I really want to... So everybody in this section...